everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming an unboxing of the PR package I just received from Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. I just recently joined their PR team and I am so excited to have a discount code to share with you guys as well as a freebie sampler for your orders. So let's take a look at what I got. So let's start off with my freebie sampler, which you will get if you use my code GrumpyAngelica on your order, and you'll also save 10% off your purchase, so win-win. Megan asked me to include some of my favorite stickers from her shop to be included on this sampler, so of course I picked a theme and I tried to stick with pink and stationery, and I am so thrilled with the way that it came out. So be sure to bookmark Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. on your browser and write down my code for your next shopping trip. She also included the other PR team members' samplers, so I can show you those. You really can't choose wrong. They are all so cute, and you can find the codes for these different samplers and links to everyone's Instagram accounts in the Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. Facebook group. But let's be real, y'all. Use my code. This is super cute. Come on. Next up, we have some enamel pins that were recently released in the shop. We've got Jess, Grumpy Butt, and the Boba Bear cup. And these all have some shimmery details on there. And then these are the backs. Next up, I have some sneak peeks of some fun things coming to the shop on August 10th. First up is the Grumpy Bear Confetti Shaker Mix. And I will flip that over so you get a better view of the sequins that are included with that. And then there will be a couple of metal pins released as well. First up is the I Didn't Choose the Grumpy Life Chose Me pin. And then the Oh Hey I Like Your Planner pin. I love that one. And these both have this kind of closure on the back so you can stick them onto your planner bags, your planner pouches, onto your jean jackets, and show off your Grumpy Bear flair. Next up is another sampler that was included with my order. Lots of really cute deco featured on this one. A few die cuts were also included with my order. We've got the Grumpy Bear, Eat the Cake, and Queen Jez. And starting with my order, I recently ordered the sticker version of these Mom Life shirts and had to go back to get the die cuts because they were just so cute, and I loved all of the different phrases that were included. And I have a fairly large sticker order, so we'll start with the Harry Potter ones first. I got Wands Up, Deathly Hallows with Always, Remember Alls for Don't Forget, the Snitches, and these say 99 problems, but a snitch ain't one, the coffee cups that say Magic Bean Water, and then of course our Hogwarts letters. I also picked up some of the fall releases. I got the pumpkins, the leaf banners, pumpkin spice latte cups, even though I've never tried one. These are just really cute. And the cozy candles. Then I got a backup sheet of the field trip stickers, pastel TN stack, some more of the candles, the Grumpy Bear coffee mugs, pigtails and pockets pouches. I thought those would be really cute to mark the release dates for whenever Rachel does her sales. Zero Fox Given, part play to mark play dates, and of course the Amazon boxes because there's nothing better than Happy Mail. And that does it for this unboxing. Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. was one of the first shops on Etsy that I ever bought from back when they were still glitter and chai, and I was so honored to be asked to be on this team. You can find a link to the shop as well as the Instagram account and Facebook group for Grumpy Bear in the description below, along with all of my other discount codes. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!